Oh, I'm okay. Like that. You can see her. Yeah, there you go. Oh, you got some clips like. Teddy, you can't. You're getting your hair.
You're being cute. Still.
Wait.
Hi, Mom.
Ready?
Hi.
Bubba Bear. Oh, I know you want some lovely clips. Oh, no, no, no. You should do an alley rubber.
I got some really cool clips of his like his breath coming out.
Oh, that's cool. I'll
It out and the wind was and the sun was coming through the door.
Mama Bethany.
Yep. I will. Hi.
Okay. No, thank you.
Oh no. Make her snookers.
Oh, Snuggle. Snuggle.
Are you taking video?
Oh, I'm taking video.
Good. I used to stand still for this. Did you hear Ryan went to Kentucky?
He did?
Yeah, with a Cinto.
Aww.
Really sad.
See the left?
Yeah.
Aww. Oh, yeah.
Oh. No, not my ears.
Get away from me.
Oh, where's it going? Oh my god. These needles are tight.
Oh, he's not doing it.